FIFO Green Cooler is a new generation of self-service refrigerated display, easy to feel, which manages your products in FIFO mode, increases your sales and reduces your energy consumption. FIFO Green Cooler fully complies with the European directive applicable very soon. It is a patented device internationally and made in Europe. It has received 3 top honors of the Geneva International Invention Fair. Your FIFO Green Cooler naturally manages your products in FIFO, first in, first out mode. The first bottle inserted is the first bottle out, without moving mechanism and therefore without risk of breakdown. This is made possible by gravity. The Koncept offers so many advantages. Look-like filling is easy. This is the guarantee that the shortest and the coldest articles be consumed first. Each column of the FIFO can accommodate different shapes and sizes of bottles from 33 to 50 centiliters. Easy and fast access to bottles allows a significant increase in sales compared to a closed standard fridge. It is the effect impulse. Self-service is optimized and several people can use simultaneously. Airflows associated with door openings and closures are avoided, thus dividing energy consumption by 3. Consequently, the phenomenon of condensation of the glazing is not existent, and after-sales service reduces to its simplest expression. The FIFO Green Cooler concept is more efficient, more economical, and more environmentally friendly. Find it everywhere, in service stations, fast food, snack bars, juice bars, and supermarkets. For more information, a single reflex: www.fifogc.com.